Am I really that much? And breaking these niggas down like a demo. You don't really know you are.
Okay guys, so I wanted to start this video off showing you guys how I wanted to organize the colors that I got for my alcohol markers. So I'm just labeling them here and I am going to keep them more organized this way.
OMG, you guys. So basically I am going to do like a whole haul for all the Black Friday shopping that I did. It was some before Black Friday, some during, might be a little bit after. Bang, look what just came in, you guys. I got, and I'm gonna use her like tomorrow before my Black Friday or shopping haul. So I wanted to show her to you guys. She's so cute. I put a little gift message because I deserve her. I needed new gym headphones and I wanted nice ones because I'm used to, like, I feel like I've been going to the gym for like 2.5 years now, consistently. The only time I really miss the gym is when I'm on vacation. So I need headphones that cancel out every single noise in the gym. I don't want to hear nobody. So I use the JBL. I think they're like on-air headphones. They're not bad. They lasted me 2.5 years. But I got piercings like at the end of August and I've had to put one headphone like right here, low key. I mean, sometimes I put it on, but for the most part, because these piercings, they're still healing. I needed over ear piercings. It took me time to finalize between this one and the Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra, because I was between this one and that one. But I just like this one a little bit more. But that one, I feel like if I was a majority music person, I probably would have picked that one. But I don't really listen to music like that anymore. Honestly. I really truly don't. I really truly don't. I be on TikTok in the gym. I listen to music for about 30 minutes out of my 2-hour session. Maybe 15 minutes. I really don't listen. Yeah. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. And I really wanted this color because I was tired of black. Every time black. It smells beautiful. Look at her. OMG. Okay, so it does this thing. This is why I really wanted this one too, because I also wanted the Sony, like, it was like CH, I don't know, it was a whole bunch of numbers. But like when you put this on, I don't know what it's called, but for some reason I hear less noise. Maybe it's the noise cancellation, but it's not on. It's not the noise cancellation. It can't be. It's gotta be something else. I don't know what it's called, but it being off, like it's not turned on. I mean, clearly I just got it on. Putting it on, something happens. Some sort of like suction happens. Like it suctions my whole ear. Suction. And it's just like I can't, let me stop before I'm yelling. I can't hear certain things anymore. So it's like, that's why I really like this. But the Bose Ultra had that too, so. Yeah, I went into Best Buy a couple times to try both of them out. But I really like this color. Like, I really, really wanted this color. It's so pretty. Apparently there's an app or something. I'm gonna read the instructions. I am the type of person to read the instructions for everything. Yeah. Okay, so Today's a brand new day. It's really cold, you guys. Like super duper cold. And I'm over here just like being Bob the Builder in the winter because my door handle is broken, you guys. Look it. I can't get out my car. It is broken. I have never in my life of owning vehicles, well, this is the second vehicle I've owned, ever experienced such a thing. I think this is a Nissan thing. I've never ever. So I bought the part and we're gonna see if we can put it together. Probably when I get back from work tonight, but it's gonna be dark, so I hope you guys can see. I'm gonna try and record some of it, but like, I'm on my way to the gym now. But yeah, I literally have to wind down the window and then reach my hand outside the door just to get out. It is so unamusing. Like, that is just so ridiculous. It literally makes me want to throw up. But yeah, guys, I'll show you. Well, we're gonna see if we can try and do this because I don't even know who can fix this, and I don't even know how much it would cost. Cause like, it's a door handle. Like, the door handle part didn't even cost $10. So I don't know, like, if someone were to fix it, how much it would cost. I didn't bother. I was just like, okay, maybe I could do it. I saw it on YouTube and I was like, why not? So, why not? Oh my gosh. My hands are low-key dry. I just put lotion. I kid you not. I put lotion. I come outside. It dries up my hands. ASAP. But I'll see you guys later. Probably when it's so much darker because it literally gets dark at 4 p.m. which is ridiculous. But toodles. Okay, you guys, I'm back better than ever. But we're about to go in the car and try and see if we can do this thing. Honestly, I give myself about 25 minutes because it's cold. I'm about to go put on a whole bunch of layers. I gotta put on headphones because I can't put earmuffs on top of my piercings. It's just already a lot. I'm already irritated and I haven't gotten outside yet. So we're gonna see how long I last. Okay, you guys, I'm in the car. I got my coat, I got my boots. I'm trying to do it. I got my YouTube. Y'all see I got my tools. Let me put on this light. I have a little mini light so y'all can see a little bit. It's bright. Let me lower that a little bit. Oh, that's the lowest. But I started taking this part out. But oop, ouch. Okay, I'm pretty sure I was supposed to do that. I hope I was. Just give me a second, okay? Okay. I was supposed to do that. Now I need to get this off. Eventually I need to get the whole door off, but it's cold. So I'm trying to figure out what I could get off while I'm still in the car. And then I'm gonna open the car and get off the rest, okay? Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys. I gotta take this off. Oh my Jesus. Okay, look, we're gonna worry about this later. They said I gotta remove this bolt right here, that one right there. What's this? I gotta remove this. And I got the part. I got me a little, they said a 10mm. I got this thing, 10. Right there. Oh my gosh. You guys, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I can't do this with the camera. I'm gonna have to see you later. You guys, it's been like 35 minutes. I now have on a mask because it got cold. But, update. I got the door off. That took a lot. But now, they said this is the easier part. So, I'm going to try and see if maybe I can finally vlog this part with you guys. And see if you guys, ooh, not too much. See if you guys can see me doing that. I hope my neighbors aren't looking at me. I'm in the back. But still, you know people be nosy. I got the part. I done already messed up my nails too. It's crazy. Got chips in there and everything. Got the old one off. It's right here. Same part. It better be the same part. You guys, you're gonna do the honors with me. Oh my gosh. Look at my new door. Let's see if it works. Moment of truth. Oop! I've never been so excited to open my door. Stop playing. Yes, I have done it. Me, not anybody else. Me, on my own. It's time for me to go in the house though. I'm cold. See you guys when I get there. All right, you guys, I'm back inside. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie to you. 0 out of 10 experience. It was really only truly because it was cold. Doing the actual door, it wasn't too bad. It took an hour like 15. It wasn't too bad. It is literally 36 degrees outside. Now, that made it bad. That made it the worst experience ever. So, but actually fixing the door, it wasn't too bad, to be honest. I'm really that girl. Yeah. But manual labor and me, no. I don't do this. But then my door was broken. The whole kill is, it's been like a month and a half, close to like 2 months, low key. Cause I feel like it was like Halloween, or a little bit before Halloween, when I remember it was broken. I don't remember the exact date, but I was honestly not gonna get it fixed, to be honest with you. I was just gonna leave it like that. I was like, oh. But then I literally had to wind down the window, put my hand outside the window, open it from the outside, wind the window back up, then step out every single time I had to leave the car. I have to leave the car multiple times a day. And then imagine when it's rainy, when it's snowing, I have to do all that. And I was just like, this can't be my life. So I did something about it. Yeah. But anyway, I don't know if this is the end of this vlog or not. I don't really think I've done much in this vlog, TBH. But if it is, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications so that way you'll be notified whenever I post a video. Yeah, so I need to go eat now and get reheated, and I need to paint my nails again. Like, it chipped my nail. Like, do you see this? My nails are chipped. Ridiculous. Like, my red was cute. Oh my gosh, you guys, I didn't show you the books I got. I mean, no, actually, I'm not. But I participate in Secret Santa for my book clubs. I think this is the second year I've done it. But I already sent my books out. It was 2 physical books and I think 2 Kindle books that I sent. Or 3 Kindle books, I don't know. But look, I got this book, Love Undercover. This book, Fast. And then this book, A Love Song for What. I've already read a book by her and I actually really enjoyed it. I'm pretty sure she writes a book in 3rd person. Let me confirm. It's in 3rd person. Yeah, it's in 3rd person. But I don't mind 3rd person. Some people mind 3rd person in books. I personally, it don't bother me. I can read 1st person, I can read 3rd person. Either or, I read both. I don't have, I prefer 1st person. I don't really care. I'll read 3rd person. I've read quite a few books that I've loved in 3rd person. Quite a few books, what's wrong? That I didn't even notice it was in 3rd person until I got quite a minute into reading. I literally just went into one of my SD cards and I have a whole bunch of vlogs from like the beginning of this year. Should I upload them? Because I feel like they're still cool vlogs, but they're older.
Am I really that much?